Hello and welcome to this art tutorial with Shannon. In today's video you will be making a quill. You will need a feather, a pen, bits and bobs for decoration, ribbon, glue, press stick tape or something else to stick everything together. I would recommend using sticky tape, but I don't have any right now, so I use this washi tape, which isn't so sticky. Start off by sticking your feather about one third of the way along your pen. When it's secure, take your ribbon and start winding it along your pen. I used tape to secure it at the bottom. Wind it all the way to the top of your pen. Next, stick down the ends of your ribbon. You can cut off your ribbon or curl the ends. And now just stick things on to decorate it. There's your quill. Happy writing! Please make sure to like and subscribe and push that bell. I would love to hear from you, so comment down below to let me know what you think. And if you followed along with this video, make sure to send a picture. Be safe, be cool, be creative.